Hi viewers, today we're looking at the max function within the MySQL workbench to find the maximum, the population, the country with the highest population count within the city table within the world database. So first of all, we start by using the world database and selecting the name and max population from city, and actually we'll give city an alias name of C and add that in front of the name. And in front of the population. Okay, so I'm going to run that and see what it does. As you can see, it's come up with Kabul as the city with the highest population of 10,500,000 people in the city of Kabul. And that's it. That's the MySQL Max population function within MySQL Workbench.